BROS, a stock tomorrow. Is it a buy? Let's see, where is Dutch Bros stock going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. I'm going to start off by saying that today's performance is not usual, and we're going to just have like close the market right now at the time of making the video. But like generally speaking, it's interesting ticker because like I genuinely was only really going to buy the moment the price started giving me these double breaks. And actually it was not even like right now, like this is a thing that happened way beforehand. Now, context before I get into this further, I have delivered thousands of quick predictions over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses and mentors, documented everything. And generally right now speaking, with BROS, the only way that I'm actually going to double down on this is still on the long side, as long as my rules are met. Now, because now we have new highs, the only thing that I'm looking forward to is just doubling down on this long side. Pretty much means that I'm open-minded for buys. And I'm only going to intervene if the price does pull down, shows me some double breaks, but the likelihood of this just delivering is crazy. So tomorrow, maybe Friday, if we see some retracements and then rules are met, I'll preferably buy. But if not, then I'm just not going to force. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.